Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to start one new topic in your accounting in chapter journal. Okay, beta? That topic name is discount. Okay, so how we are going to treat if any type of discount is coming in transactions. So first we have to know about the what is the discount. Actually, discount is divided in a two type of discount is there. One is trade discount and second is cash discount. One is trade discount and second is cash discount. Trade discount is discount which is given by the every businessman to his all customer for increasing his sale. Okay, beta, for increasing his sale. The trade discount is like a discount that given by the every seller to his customer for the increasing of his sale. As like that, if you are going to purchase the book from a Baksipur, here we are talking about the Gorakhpur, so all shop holder or shopkeeper which is working in Baksipur, if you are going to purchase any book, they are given some discount, sure and certain, 10%, 15%, 12%, 20%. Okay, are to have all that discount to give that all. Okay, beta, that discount to give to the all of the customer. Okay, beta, all of the customer. Okay, and how to show the trade discount? Trade discount we are not going to show in any entry, only deduct the amount with that trade discount. Okay, beta, as like that, if you are going to purchase goods with a trade discount 10%, purchase goods 50,000 and trade discount 10%, so entry purchase account debit to cash less the 10%, 10% is 5,000, then 45,000 and 45,000. Okay, beta, like that we are going to present. Like that we are going to present on the case of trade discount. I think well clear about this. Trade discount is discount which is given by the all businessman or all seller to his customer for increasing his sale. And trade discount we are not going so in a entry, only the amount of trade discount will less. Okay, beta, clear? Clear? Now I am going for the cash discount. Okay, first, cash discount is discount that we are given or receiving when we are going to receive or give the payment before the date. If you are needed the payment before the date, then you are saying that yeah, okay, I will give the cash discount. You are paying that money, then I will give the cash discount. Like that you are taking the discount. And how to show the cash discount? This cash discount actually we are given on the only cash payment or cash received. Okay, beta. If trading transaction is there, so no cash discount will allowed. But if cash transaction is there, then we are going to allow the cash discount. Okay, just see, purchase in cash. Okay, same, purchase in cash 50,000 and cash discount. Now in this case, cash discount is 5,000. Then entry is purchase account debit to discount to cash. Here the transaction is 50,000, but 5,000 is discount and 45,000 is what? Is the main payment of cash. Clear, beta? How to show that discount? Just opposite, if sale is there, then cash you are receiving, so cash account debit, discount account debit to sell. Actually, when we are receiving the discount to his income, then we are going to credit that account. Discount will credit. If we are going to allow the discount, then that is the expense. and that time we are going to do the debit. Okay beta, when we are receiving the discount, on the time of receiving that discount is credit, and on the time of allow the discount will debit. Clear? Or one trick is there, the cash discount is always go with the cash. If cash is debit, then discount is debit. If cash is credit, then discount is credit beta. Okay, clear? Clear or not? This cash discount, how to show the cash discount? It's clear or not? Trade discount we are not going to show, only the amount will less. In cash discount we are going to show. If allowed, then debit, receive, then discount will credit. Okay beta? Clear? Now I am going to take some question. On the basis of that question, we are going to see how to discount we are showing in journal entry. Okay beta? How we are going to show this discount in journal entry. Okay beta? I think it's well clear. Any type of receiving of discount, credit, payment of discount, what? Debit. Because when we are receiving, then that is what? Income, profit, then credit, pay, loss, then debit. Now I am going to take one question, and the question in DK Goyal book, the question number 4. Okay? The question number 4. Just see, sold goods to Dev. Date is 3 March. Sold goods to Dev. Divide in 2 parts. Again this board. Then debit column. Then credit column. Then LF column, then date column. Okay beta? I think we'll remember the proforma. Date, particular, ledger folio, amount debit, amount credit. Okay, start with the first, and first is sold goods to Dev. Sold goods to Dev. Then 3 March you are going to sell. Okay, Dev is there. On it means it's a credit transaction. So Dev, debit to sales. Okay beta? Dev, debit to sales. Sold goods to Dev, and amount is 1 lakh. Okay, clear? How to debit and how to credit is clear or not? Clear beta? Now go for the next. Go for the next. Receive from Dev in full settlement for his account 98,000 only. You are receiving. Okay, and date is beta, date is 5. You are receiving the money. It means cash will debit. Cash account debit. 2. You are receiving the money from Dev. But you needed, what amount you needed? What amount you needed beta? 1 lakh. You needed 1 lakh from Dev. But you are receiving only 98,000. It means 2,000 you are giving the discount. It means debit. You are giving means debit. Discount account debit. Okay beta? Clear? You are given means it's a debit. So certain because it's an expense, and expense means debit. Now entry is clear. Cash received from Dev. Okay beta? Clear 2000. Then again on 6. Again on 6. Goods sold to Manmohan. Then again Manmohan debit to sells good sold to Manmohan. They are going to sell the goods 80,000 beta. I think no problem in this entry. Very easy. Manmohan, David and sales is credit. Next. And next is the Manmohan return goods. Manmohan returning the goods. It means the goods is returned. Then it's a sales return beta. Return David to who is Manmohan, because they are returning the goods beta. So then goods returned by Manmohan 1,000. Clear? It's clear or not? Sales return, sales is debit, then return is credit. We are receiving, then credit, and Manmohan is given, then Manmohan credit. Then the date is 15. Sorry, 8. The date is 8. Okay? Up to this is clear? Clear beta? Up to this is clear or not? Clear? Now I am going for the next, and next is date 15. Just make the pro forma again. Okay, next is receive cash from Ram. Receive from Manmohan in full settlement of his account 78,200. You are receiving, it means cash will debit, cash account debit, and Manmohan is given, it means Manmohan credit. Manmohan is, you are receiving 78,200. But how much money you have to receive, beta? You should be receiving 80,000. You are just selling the goods from 80,000. 1,000 returned. It means 79,000 needed. 80,000, 1,000 return. It means 79,000 needed. But you are receiving only 79,000 needed. But you are receiving only, beta, 78,200. It means discount debit, the amount of 800. Okay, cash received from Manmohan. Clear beta? It's a date 15. It's a date 15. Clear or not? Clear? Next, receive cash from Ram and discount allowed. You are receiving the money. It means cash will debit the beta. And you are giving the discount, means discount also debit, and Ram paying money, it means credit. Cash received from Ram. And he is receiving the money 19,500 in cash, 500 discount. Total amount is 20,000 beta. Total amount is 20,000. Okay, clear? How much amount is there? Clear or not? Clear beta or not? Clear na? Then go for the next. And next is, it's a 60. Cash paid to Pawan and discount received. You are going to pay. You are going to pay. Then you are going to pay to Pawan. So Pawan will receive beta. So Pawan received means Pawan debit, and you are paying means cash credit, and discount you are receiving credit. Okay, you are going to pay the amount 4,700. We are going to pay 4,700, 300 discount. Total amount is 5,000 beta. Total amount 5,000. Take it very clear. You are going to pay to the Pawan. So Pawan will debit. Cash goes out from business. Then credit. Discount you are receiving. Then credit. Cash paid to Pawan. Okay, beta? Cash paid to Pawan. Clear? Clear or not? Next. Sold goods to Varun for his list price 25,000 and 20% trade discount. Okay? You are going to sold to the Varun. Then Varun debit. Okay, Varun will debited and to sales. Varun debit to sales beta. Only this. Varun debit to sales, because trade discount we are not going to show. Trade discount we are not going to show in entry. So 25,000 is main amount, 20% less. 25,000, 20%, 5,000, 5,000 less from the 25,000, it means 20,000. So the entry for 20,000 beta. Varun. Good sold to Varun. Okay beta? Clear? Up to this is clear or not? Clear beta? It's clear? Just see. Again, we are going to sell the material or goods to the Varun. So then Varun account debit to sales. But we are not going to show the discount because it's a trade discount. When trade discount is coming, then we are only less that amount from his amount. The current trade discount will less from the main amount. Trade discount will less from the main amount. Okay beta? Clear? Clear or not? We are going to less the trade discount only from where beta? From the main amount. That main amount is 25,000, but we are going to less 5,000, 20% of 25,000, 5,000. This amount is coming. Okay? Now all thing is clear, I think. Clear or not? Now going for the totaling. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 80,000, 2 lakh 80,000 and 80. 3 lakh 60,000, 3 lakh 80,000, 3 lakh 4 lakh 5,000. Okay, just see the answer. Amount is 4 lakh 5,000 beta. Okay, the total amount is 4 lakh 5,000. 4 lakh 5,000 beta. Okay, clear? 4 lakh 5,000. The total of this account. The total of this account is coming 4 lakh 5,000 beta. Clear? Now again I like to repeat. First is sell goods to Dev, sold goods to Dev. So then Dev account Dev debit to sales. Okay? Clear? Next, cash received from Dev, then cash account debit, discount account debit to Dev, because 2,000 discount. On the place of 1 lakh we are only receiving 98,000. Okay beta? Next, Manmohan, again you are going to sell to Manmohan account debit to sales 80,000, and then Manmohan will return the goods. So then sales return account debit to Manmohan 1,000. Okay? Then we are going to receive the money from Manmohan. 80,000, sell from 80,000, 1,000 less because of return. So we needed money 79,000, but we are receiving only 78,200. Then 800 is what? 800 is discount. Then cash account debit, discount account debit to Manmohan. Cash account debit 78,200, discount 800 and main amount is 79,000. Okay. Next, again we are receiving the cash from Ram. So then cash account debit, discount account debit to Ram, because in the question is given discount 500. Okay beta, so 19,500 is main amount, cash receipt 500 is discount, the total amount is 20,000. Then Pawan, we are going to pay the money to Pawan, so then Pawan account debit, cash account debit, discount credit, cash credit, discount credit, because we are receiving the discount. When we are going to receive the discount, so that will the credit. Next and last, Varun to sales, because here only trade discount is given, and when the trade discount is given, then we are not going to show the trade discount, only the amount of trade discount will less from the transaction amount. So then 25,000 is main amount. Okay, 25,000 is main amount, the less that amount, okay, less that amount, clear? And the amount, remaining amount is 20,000 beta. Okay, clear? Remaining amount is 20,000. Now we are going to totaling 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 80,000, 80, 3 lakh 60,000, 20, 3 lakh 60 and 22 lakh 80,000, 2 lakh 85,000 and again 24, 3 lakh 85,000, then 24 lakh 5,000. Okay beta, clear? On the basis of this you can try the question beta. You will able to try the question? Clear beta? Okay? Clear or not? Any problem is there? Clear? Okay, thank you.